Hello friends, this is Mita Bhosle presenting services by operating system. So far we have seen what is an operating system. Operating system is an interface between the user and the computer hardware. Now before that we will see what are the services. Services in the sense what the functions are provided by the operating system. In the form of services, whatever the functions operating system do, it is provided in the forms of services. What the services provided by operating system are as follows. So these are the three services in which the operating system classifies its function. The first is an information management, process management and memory management. So these are the three fields in which operating system provides its services to the users. Now what do you mean by an information management? So information management, these three services, information management deals with the information and data, whereas the process management keep the track of all the processes. There are different processes performed and executed by operating system, and to keep the track of all these processes is the major function done by the operating system in this category, that is process management. And the very third important element of this is the memory management, where it manages the memory. Whenever we get a space for storing our document, it is actually done by the operating system. So these are the three services. Information management deals with an information or data, process management where it keeps a track of all processes, and the memory management, it manages with the memory. Now to do this information management, what the functions it has to do, or in what way the information management is performed by operating system is by storing or retrieving your information or data, modifying or deleting or removing your information, or organizing of information in terms of files or directories. So as and when we deal with information or we feed the data into the computer system, it is actually organized or managed by operating system. But the impression again given as the user is dealing with it. So whenever we store the information or we delete any information, it is actually performed by an operating system. So do this kind of every work, operating system need to have kind of system which is called as a system calls. So what is a system call? System call is nothing but it is a mechanism that provides the interface between a process and the operating system. Whenever operating system need to perform any operation, it has to generate number of system calls, and by means of system calls it can perform any kind of operations. So under information management, with the help of different system calls, it can do kind of work. So what are the system calls which are related with information management are: start with create a file or a directory, open. Whenever we do any kind of activity or any kind of operation we perform with our information or data, it is done with the help of system call. So system call acts as an interface between the user and actual program. So create a file, create a directory, open a file, close a file, read the data, write a data, or if you want to move a file, delete a file, create a link. Whenever you want to create a link to execute your file or to watch your file and change working directories. So these are all the system calls which are provided or generated by operating system itself, so that with the help of this system calls the user is enabled to perform his actions. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching this presentation. Thank you.